Today, we're going to prevent a latent issue that exists on the Porsche Cayenne from occurring. This issue is damage to the hood release lever that resides in the driver's footwell, which can lead to the hood release failing. In today's video, we're going to describe the issue and symptoms of it prior to the hood release breaking, we're going to describe why it happens, and we're going to describe what you can do to prevent it. Lastly, we're going to make your hood open better too. The fix in this video is a simple lubrication of a mechanism, but we're going to explain why it matters, and you'll be relieved and pleasantly surprised if you haven't done this in a while. Your hood release handle is plastic on the inside and can eventually damage itself if you don't lubricate your hood latch mechanism. The handle and hood release are interconnected via a metal cable. There's a cable that runs from the hood to the hood release, and the hood release lever turns the mechanism on the bracket. The hood latch mechanism at the front gets rusty, dry, and when it's unlubricated, it causes the hood to stick and increases the resistance on the weak plastic handle inside. An under-lubricated latch release mechanism at the front increases the resistance, tightness on the hood cable, which translates to extra tightness needed at the hood lever to open it. The level of tautness from the cable increases the torsional stress needed on the hood lever, a hood lever inside which the mechanism is plastic. With the astonishing interconnectedness and fragility out of the way, I pleasantly discovered the other day that when you lubricate your front hood latch, your inner handle becomes smooth and easy to pull, and alleviates the stress that we were putting on it. Also, you can see how this latch is starting to become worn through, and on the Boxster it's all rusty. Metal on unlubricated metal. We take some white lithium grease, that's the generally recommended lubricant for all the hinges and such for Porsches. And we give this latch mechanism some love. And what we do is, without closing it fully, I guess latching it in, but without clicking it in, the lubricant go in. Since mine already feels better, you can see we have grease on the latch. That feels substantially better. I don't feel any more metal on metal rubbing. We can close it in. Check for any egregious amounts of grease to clean up, and we'll just let it settle. Thanks to lubrication, the hood release actually pulls much easier. It's a nice smooth action here now. Creates less stress on this plastic piece that turns this other plastic piece. This was a quick video today, but I wanted to share this morsel of information because these Cayennes aren't getting any younger, and this bit of preventative maintenance goes a long way. Or, you hopefully searched "why handle tough pull" and found this video. Anyway, thanks for tuning in and finding my channel, and see the Cayenne playlist for other Cayenne videos.